Our artist today is named Yahya bin Mahmoud al-Wasiti. His short name Al-Wasiti. Al-Wasiti is the first artist in Arab land known. He's the biggest artist in Arab land. This artist is so for 700 years in Harun Rashid time in Al-Abbasian age. This artist he made his color by himself, and in this time Iranian started import the paper from China, and with this time there's many Chinese book and Iranian book come to Iraq, and Al-Wasiti study many of this book and see this book in the shelf or Al-Abbasian library, and in this time is the biggest library in the world really. There is many thousand book in this library. Al-Wasiti studied the art or an painting in the hand of one of biggest artists. His name Baghdad. Some people say this wrong information, and some people say yeah, this is really information because Iran beside Baghdad and Al-Wasiti study on the hand of Baghdad. Al-Wasiti, his art is small pieces of art. Every piece of art is 3 centimeter or 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter maybe to 5 centimeter is so small pieces. It's just for explain for the stories or some books. One of the most important book is